My name is Mrs. Young. I like to make videos to teach you new things and to help you remember the things you already know. I'm glad you're here today.
Hi guys, how's everybody doing today? I hope you are all doing great. Today is Tuesday, April the 2nd in the year 2024. So the month of March is finished and we flipped the page of our calendar and we started a new month yesterday. Yesterday was April 1st and today is Tuesday, April 2nd in the year 2024. We really don't have any holidays in April, but yesterday, April 1st, was April Fool's Day. So how many of you played a joke on somebody, or how many of you had a joke played on you? Well, I hope you had a fun day yesterday. So today, our lesson is going to be about the solar eclipse. And the solar eclipse is coming up on Monday, April 8th. So next Monday, some people in Mexico, our country, the United States, and Canada will be able to see a total solar eclipse. So what that means is, sun is over here, our planet, the Earth, is over here. Well, the moon gets in the middle of the sun and the Earth and blocks the sunlight from getting to the Earth and casts a shadow on the Earth. And so just for a few minutes, 3 or 4 minutes, sunlight and daytime will turn into nighttime and darkness. So that is what our lesson is going to be about today. Are you ready, guys? Here we go.
The solar system is made up of the sun, planets, moons, asteroids, comets, and other icy, rocky objects. The sun is in the middle of the solar system. This is what the sun looks like from our planet, planet Earth. But this is what it looks like from outer space. The sun is a giant ball of hot, glowing gas, and gases don't have any shape. Orbit means when something travels around a path in a circle. There are 8 planets in our solar system that orbit or travel around the sun. The 4 planets that are closest to the sun are Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. They are very hot and they are made of rock and metals. Our planet is Earth, and it is just the right distance from the sun. It is not too hot and not too cold, and it's the only planet we know of that has living things, like people, plants, and animals. The 4 planets that are farthest away from the sun are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. They are very cold, and they are made of clouds, gas, ice, and dust. And all of these planets have rings around them. The moon is a giant rock, and the moon orbits or travels around our planet Earth. Sometimes the moon lines up between the Earth and the sun, and it blocks the sun and casts a shadow on some parts of the Earth. It turns day into night for a few minutes. This is called a solar eclipse. It is happening on April 8th, and it's going to be very exciting because a total eclipse doesn't happen very often.
All right, guys, so I hope that you learned some things about the sun and the planets and the solar eclipse. Now, what I want you to remember, if you live in one of the states that you can see the eclipse, don't ever look at it without special eclipse glasses. And you can get them on the internet and probably in other stores too. But if you look directly at it, it can damage your eyes and it could even cause blindness. So that's very important that you protect your eyes when you look at the solar eclipse. Don't look at it without protective eyewear. And the states that are going to be able to see it the most are Texas and I think New York and Illinois. So that's going to be very exciting. But for the rest of us who cannot see it in real life, you can watch it happen on the internet, and there's a website called space.com that you can go to on the internet and you can see the eclipse happening. Okay guys, so I hope you have a great day. I hope you have a wonderful week, and I will see you next Tuesday in our next video. Bye!